Want chocolate ganache brownies without the sugar guilt? These are healthy, quick, and easy. Stick around for the 3 ingredients that make them a total health hack. 200 grams sugar-free chocolate, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder with 1/4 teaspoon salt already added, 2/3 cup oat flour, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence, 2 cups peated dates, 3 tablespoons coconut oil, 3 eggs, half a cup unsalted butter. For the ganache, 80 grams sugar-free chocolate, 1/4 cup heavy whipping cream. We are starting with whole dates, one of our secret ingredients. Fun fact, despite being nature's candy, dates are actually low GI. That means they won't give you that nasty sugar spike crash. Their fiber acts as a natural buffer for your blood sugar. Add coconut oil. We are adding healthy fats that give your body quick, clean energy instead of storing it as fat. Put on low heat and mash as they soften. So dates replaces table sugar. While the dates mixture is cooling, chop the sugar-free dark chocolate, our second secret ingredient. Sweetened with natural plant-based sweeteners, you get the decadence without the sugar crash. Melt the 200 grams chocolate for brownies. I set up a DIY double boiler by placing the chocolate in a heat-safe bowl over a pot of simmering water. Add butter. Make sure the bottom of your glass dish does not actually touch the water. The steam alone will provide the gentle heat we need. Whisk eggs. Add eggs to the dates mixture. Next up, secret ingredient number 3. We are using oat flour, naturally gluten-free and contains beta-glucan, a special fiber that supports heart health. We are ditching the refined white flour for this high-fiber whole grain alternative. It gives us a perfect hearty structure while keeping the recipe gluten-free and healthy. Next up, cocoa. One of the best sources of antioxidants on the planet, helping your body fight inflammation with every bite. Add the vanilla essence. Add the melted sugar-free chocolate. It adds those mood-boosting flavonoids without the refined sugar. Pour the batter in the baking tin and bake in a preheated oven at about 175 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. While baking, prepare the chocolate ganache. Add heavy whipping cream in a saucepan over low heat. Once it starts to simmer, pour over the chocolate. Set the ganache aside. The triple in our triple chocolate comes from this. Take the brownies out of the oven. Spread the final layer of chocolate, the chocolate ganache. If you want more decadent, healthy treats that actually nourish your body, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Let me know in the comments what I should healthify. If you liked this video where I make healthy chocolate brownies, then you will definitely like this video where I share my healthy lemon blueberry cake recipe.